Did someone stole any part of your content from your website, or even an article or from your website? Or if you find a website who is trying to copy all of your pages of your website, or in case if you feel like you are ranked for an article a day, and next day you start feeling like people are copying your content even without giving permission, without giving references, and you feel like you are being someone broke your trust, and you are feeling like they will grab your rankings, even it was your own hard work in because creating an article requires a lot of research, hard work, and patience, and then eventually you come up with some material and you find someone copying your content. Ideally, it's not a good strategy. So how to report your content on Google so that Google gives them a penalty, and you are being shown that your content won't give them any benefit, rather all the credit aggregations and whatever the bonus points, or even when it comes to SEO, the juice of the article, or whatever the benefits you are getting on ranking, if you do not want to share them, yeah, there is a way to report duplicate content on Google. This is only ideally for people whose content is being copied by a website without their own permission. So you can use it. Okay, the first ideal strategy is to email the owner, and ideally, it is not a good strategy to email, because you don't get a reply usually unless and until you give them a court order, which is very expensive. So what you have to do is you can give them a DMCA notice. So how you can give it, and how you can tell to Google. So the question is how to report duplicate content on Google. So for instance, you can see that this is a content. uh, Even better, this is my blog post. How to choose the best blog post title. I have written a post, and you can see the even the images, for strategies. You can see that people are commenting from 2017, it's 2023, and people are commenting from 2017. It's a very old article, and recently someone copied it, although in a different language, but someone copied my article without my own permission. You can see the image, the content being translated, you even see the images, and even some interlinks are going again back to my site. So ideally it's illegal and unethical if someone is copying your content without your own permission. So how I'm going to report content on Google? So okay, so just search report content on Google. Just search this, and you will find in a page where you can report this article. So they are saying that which Google product does your request relate to. It's related to Google search. Google search. Okay, now I'm being given option. I would like to report malware, phishing, or similar issue. A piece of content I'm concerned about has been already moved by webmaster. Removing personal information from Google, or intellectual property issue, copyright infringement, circumvention, other legal. So what you are going to do is to intellectual property issue. You are going to select this one. So you are being given again 5 options: counterfeit, trademark, circumvention, counter notice, copyright infringement. So my copyrighted work is being used illegally without authorization. You are going to select this one. Okay. Are you the copyright owner or authorized to act on his or her behalf? Yes, I am the right owner. Okay. So I'm going to create a request. Okay, I'm going to write my name. I confirm that I am the copyright holder of the content. Okay. No. Okay. This is my original work. I'm going to add the original link over here, and where we can see authorized example, copyrighted work. Okay. Okay, I'm going to write over here. This is the link where there's an infringing material. Okay, In case if you are good, you can also add uh, uh, this is my blog post into a different language and used without my permission. I'm going to authorize this. I'm going to confirm. Okay, so this is 3rd 11 2022. Okay. What's missing? Okay. I can only write my URL over here. Okay. Thanks, we have received your legal request. So this was a procedure on how to report your duplicate content on Google, and if they can gain an advantage benefit over your article. Even my article was copied in a different language, but even people use the same language and start try to copy your own content. So either way, it's illegal, even if it's in your own language, or even someone convert your content into a different language without your permission. That is illegal, and that is a way. This is how Google is going to give them penalty this website, so that this website does not get ranked well on Google. So I hope you like the video. In case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.